Installing backwash filter. One, install the inlet water connection according to your height favor. Use water sealing tape to prevent water leakage from inlet water pressure. Connect the filter unit onto the inlet connector. Are ready to use. Push the rotating valve to the end for backwash. Turn the rotating valve to the middle for filtered water. Turn the rotating valve to off position to stop using. Turn the rotating valve to the outmost lowest position for unfiltered tap water.